Hi everybody. I had a question about how to tell and monitor if students have watched a required video lesson. So I am going to take a look at that with you. If you'll go into that D2L course and click on that student and click on this little progress symbol over here. And once you have done that, you can just click on content over here on the left hand side. So this is Sand Math is the student's name. And if you look at the content, you'll be able to see everything they've ever done. They never visited this, never visited, never visited. Haha. I want to see if they watched that class recording. So once you get there, you can see that they last visited on March 24th at 1:09 p.m., but you can get more than that out of it. You can actually show the details and go down to that video, and you will see that they had one visit. They were in there for 2 minutes and 52 seconds watching that video, and it'll tell you when and where they did that. So I hope this helps if you want to take attendance on video watching during this time, or if students have watched a lesson and how long they watched it for. Most students are not going to know that this exists on our side, just to let you know. Thanks.